Mary L. Trump, the author of an explosive book about her uncle President Trump, asked a court to lift a restraining order against her, saying in an affidavit filed Thursday that she was misled by the family into signing a confidentiality agreement in an inheritance case 2 decades ago. Her request, filed with the New York Supreme Court, follows a decision by the court's appellate division on Wednesday to lift a restraining order against Simon Schuster, allowing publication of the book to go forward. That court left in place a restraining order against Mary Trump. The affidavit marks the first time Mary Trump has commented publicly about her book, as well as her allegation that she was misled when signing the confidentiality agreement. In her affidavit, Mary Trump said she never believed the confidentiality agreement in the inheritance case could restrict her from writing a book about the conduct and character of my uncle, the sitting president of the United States, during his campaign for re-election. She said she decided that writing a book was necessary after her uncle was elected president. The book, Too Much and Never Enough: How My Family Created the World's Most Dangerous Man, has climbed to the top of bestseller lists based on preorders and is slated to be published July 28. The publisher, which said it has already distributed thousands of copies to retailers, has said the book will reveal the nightmare of traumas that shaped the man who is now president. Mary Trump said in her affidavit that, in agreeing to the inheritance settlement, she relied on asset valuations of the family estate provided to her by Donald Trump and his siblings that she said have since been proved to be inaccurate. I relied on false valuations provided to me by my uncles and aunt, and would never have entered into the agreement had I known the true value of the assets involved, she said. She said the inaccuracy of the valuations was revealed in a 2018 investigation by the New York Times of Family Finances. Simon Schuster said in a filing with the court that Mary Trump told the publishing company she was a source for the Times investigation. Mary Trump did not mention that role in her affidavit. Mary Trump said that the president and his brother Robert, who filed the petition to stop the book's publication, have made multiple public comments about the family without asking her permission. My uncle, President Trump, has spoken out about our family and the will dispute on numerous occasions, she said. Robert Trump's attorney, Charles J. Harder, did not respond to a request for comment. A key element of the book is expected to be the impact of the death of Mary Trump's father, Fred Jr., President Trump's older brother, from an alcohol-related illness when she was 16 years old in 1981. President Trump told The Washington Post in an interview last year that he regretted pushing his brother to go into the family business.